How to fix Spotify web player not working in Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can fix a Spotify web player is not working on your Google Chrome browser. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're not being able to play any sort of songs browser using the Spotify web, then there could be a couple of issues. First off is basic thing, just make sure that your internet connection is working just fine and that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. After you do that, you can also try to check some of your browser settings by clicking the three dots option from the top right. Now, sometimes it could be that your browser also have an update available. In that case, you can try to update it or just go to settings. Then on the left hand side, go to privacy and security. Click on clear browsing data and make sure to select all time over here. I'd recommend if you don't need your browsing history and site data, you can check that and click on clear data, and that will successfully delete the cache files as well. And once you've done that, you should be able to reload the spotify.com website and you should be able to play the music. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.